Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So we'll be starting up with the texturing part. So let's go into rendering and go into render setup, and I'll activate V-Ray over here. So we'll just activate this V-Ray over here. I'll go over here, I'll activate force two-sided. Let's go into material. So press M and go into material, and let's take a V-Ray material. So I'll take a V-Ray material over here and let's name it as a floor over here. Let's go into the diffuse. I'll call a bitmap for the floor. So let's go into this. Let's go over here and so I'll go into this and we'll take the floor planks over here. That's the color over here which we are going to assign over here. So once you have assigned it, we can just go into this. Let's click on it, and if you want to tile it up, you can easily tile it up. Let's go over here and give some reflections to it over here. Again, let's add some reflections. I'll go down and I'll add a normal bump over here. Bump to normal. I'll connect it with a bump map, and let's go into this and let's add a bump map onto it. If you want to add some roughness, I can go down into the maps, and we do have over here, that's the diffuse roughness. I can go into this and I can add a roughness map as well, so that is possible. So we can do that in this way. Now we'll again go over here and let's assign a fabric over here. So let's take a V-Ray material. Let's go into diffuse, go into the bitmap, and we'll assign one fabric material. So I'll assign a color to it. Let's just give a color. So I can go over here. Let's go into this and let's give a UVW map. So let's add a UVW map modifier. So I'll add a UVW map modifier, set it as a box. So now again I'll go over here. Let's again add a V-Ray bump map, bump to normal. So let's add a V-Ray bump to normal over here, and let's connect it with the bump map. Go into this, go into the bitmap, and let's add this. Again I'll go into this and I'll go down and let's add a roughness map. So I'll go over here and I'll add a roughness map as well in this way. So select this whole thing and let's start assigning the maps over here. Again I'll go over here, give UVW map, set it as a box. So we'll be just assigning the same material, again a UVW map, slightly. Again I can go into this and let's add again a UVW map. So again I'll go over here and let's add again a UVW map. Again a UVW map. So set it as a box over here. Go over here, again add a UVW map. So once it is done, we have added this. Now let's select the pillows as well, and we do have again the fabric material for it. So let's go over here and let's add a fabric material. So we'll go over here and let's add a fabric again over here. So we'll add a fabric material. So we have this color over here. So let's assign a color to it, and again I'll go over here, bump to normal, and let's connect it with a bump map, and let's add the normal map over here. Similarly, we can again go down into the maps. We do have the roughness map. Let's add a bit of roughness map as well. Let's give a UVW map, set it as a box. So if you want to set it, we can easily set it in this way. So go into this, let's assign the same materials for all of this. Let's assign the same material. Looks better. Select this table and we can just name this materials over here. So we can just name the materials. So we can easily name it. Again go over here and let's take again a V-Ray material and let's name it as a wood table. So for the table, again I'll go into this, I'll add a wood texture, assign a material. So again click on this, let's add a UVW map, and if you want you can just give some tiling to it if required, and we'll give some reflections. So like we'll give some kind of more of a varnished wood. So varnished wood, again let's go over here, V-Ray bump to normal, and similarly I'll again connect it with the bump map, and let's add a normal map. Let's give tiling. Let's go down, go into the roughness, and let's add a roughness as well. Alright, so I'll just save the file once. Let's again select the carpet region and again I'll go into this. Let's take a V-Ray material and we can just name it as carpet. Go into the bitmap okay, this looks better. Let's go with the color as it is. So if it doesn't work, we can just slightly add some more. Let's add bump to normal and let's connect it with a bump map. Again add a normal map. Let's add a normal map. And onto this, let's go down. And let's add a roughness map over here. So I have added a normal, a roughness and a color map in this way. Alright. Let's select the wall. We can assign some color to the wall. So I'll just assign a color. We can just add some color to the wall so it looks a bit better. Alright, let's select this again. We will add a leather over here. So let's go into the diffuse and let's take a leather material over here. So I'll go down. Let's add a leather color, assign it. Looks better. Slightly we can add some reflections, and similarly I'll add a bump to normal, connect it with a bump map, and let's add again a normal map. So again I'll go down and let's go into this and let's add again a roughness map. So as you can see now, if I click out, I can see some slight reflections, and if you need to add a UVW map, that can also be added. If you want to go with it, I can tile it. Yeah, tiling looks a bit better. You can add the tiling for all. Alright. Similarly, let's add the same material. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.